Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a mushroom recipe in which I am going to add onion. I have taken two onions and I have cut them slightly thicker slices. This is half carrot. I have chopped them, cubed it. Here I have taken half capsicum and I have cubed it. Ginger, garlic and green chili I have chopped. This is as per the availability of the mushroom. I have taken here 200-gram mushrooms and I have boiled it so that all the dirt goes away from the mushroom. And here I have taken little sugar, black pepper powder, salt and red chili powder. Here I have little soya sauce. I'll be using oil for cooking, and if required we'll be using water also for cooking. So now let's get started. Here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I am going to add the chopped ginger and garlic into the hot oil. Saute it for a second. I will reduce the flame. Now add the onions. Saute everything together for a minute. Once the onions are slightly cooked, what I'm going to add is the carrots, and the capsicum. Now I will saute everything together. I will cover and cook this for a minute. Now after a minute, we'll open the lid. We'll just stir it. Now I'm going to add the boiled mushrooms. Just stir it. Along with the veggies. I'll cover this for another 30 seconds so that the juice of the veggies and the ginger garlic will go inside the mushroom. Now after 30 seconds, I'm going to remove the lid, give it a stir. Now I will add the red chili powder. This depends. I'm adding half teaspoon. If you want a little spicy, you can add more. Don't forget I have chopped one green chili along with the ginger garlic also. I'll be be adding the black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon, pinch of sugar, salt. I'll add little salt because I'm going to add little bit of soya sauce to it. Little of soya sauce, as I told you earlier. Very little, maybe 1 teaspoon. I'll add little bit of water just for the spices to get mixed. Maybe 2 tablespoons of water I have added. Now I will cover and cook this for a minute. After a few minutes, I'll open the lid. I will saute it for a few seconds. As you can see, my mushrooms are looking very colorful. The aroma is lovely and it tastes good too. It's almost ready. So our mushroom with veggies are ready now. Let's put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our very yummy mushroom veggies ready. It's very simple and in minutes you can make this. I hope you liked this very easy recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.